My name's Rene Syler. I'm a TV personality, author, blogger, and a busy wife and mother. I think my morning ritual probably mirrors a lot of women. I get up at about 5:30, wake up the kids. I head downstairs and get ready for breakfast. And then I try to get them out the door by 7 so they get to school on time. So the next thing I do is I walk the dog, and we try to cover between a half a mile and a mile, sometimes more. It's good for her, and it's also really good for me. And then I head to the gym. When I'm at the gym, Mira automatically tracks my step activity. But I also like to do things like yoga and cycling and weightlifting. The cool thing about this is that I have the option to go in and manually enter those exercises. I work from home, spend a lot of my time online, a lot of my time sitting down. So I try to, at every opportunity, fit in some steps, fit in fitness, really, wherever I can. I love getting the boosts. I love scanning through them. They're really just a cool way to get inspired. You know, it's like having a coach in your pocket or a girlfriend who's kind of helping you along. They're funny, they're irreverent, and they're also personalized. They work with my preferences and my activity level. The Mirror Journal allows me to track my choices. So I have my smartphone with me. I can enter it right then, or I can just double tap my tracker as a reminder to enter it later. I think really a big part of this is just being aware. And that's what I like about Mirror. It helps me to be aware of my activity, what I'm eating, what I need to do more of, and perhaps what I need to do less of. I love Mirror's product design. The bracelet itself is beautiful. I love the color. It's sleek. If I'm going to a black tie event or out to dinner with my husband, I can just throw this on. It helps me still keep track of my fitness and the calories that I'm burning throughout the day, but in a way that's very fashionable. When I looked at my daily insights, well, it was kind of surprising because the times that I thought I was sort of more inactive, I had actually taken more steps than I thought I had. And then conversely, the times that I thought I was really getting it in, I really wasn't. So this gave me a really good picture of my entire day and also sort of armed me with the strategies that I need to be more active tomorrow and beyond. It's perfect for real women who have real lives, real challenges, who are doing so much for so many other people. This is an opportunity for them to make sure that they're doing for themselves.
Get ready for the ride of your life with the vibrating seat that's guaranteed to rock your world. The Fetish Fantasy International Rockin' Chair is the ultimate vibrating sex saddle that delivers intense climaxes and explosive orgasms. The secret behind this purple pulsating pleasure device is the perfectly positioned silicone clitoral stimulator that delivers mind-blowing thrills right where you want them the most. The rockin' chair does not require penetration to get you off. Studies have shown that a rockin' action is key to most women's satisfaction during sex. Made from super strong PET plastic and elite silicone, this heavy-duty sex seat is designed to conform to your contours and excite your most sensitive erogenous zones. The convenient support handle gives you total control of the fun and allows you to fully enjoy the super powerful vibrations. The rockin' chair comes with an extra long power cord and an international adapter, so you can rock out to incredible vibrations wherever you wish. The inline controller allows you to easily explore the powerful vibrations and find the level that's right for you. Once you mount this mind-blowing machine, the super strong electric Japanese motor inside the silicone stimulator will provide direct pleasure and soothing erotic vibrations to your entire nether region, including your inner thighs and your butt. Rock yourself away with powerful pulsations buzzing right between your legs. The Fetish Fantasy Series International Rockin' Chair by Pipe Dream will bring you to ecstasy over and over and will literally rock your world.
Did I remember to take the pill? What did I do? I had some coffee, fed the fish, did yoga, put some makeup on, kissed Nathan, I Snapchatted. But damn it, did I take the pill? Of course they're not here. Should I go home and check? Maybe I'll just take 2 pills tomorrow and suffer the consequences, if some appear. But then again, I I guess we could use a condom this month.
What?
Or maybe we just don't do it. It's only a month. Or what if I simply take the 9% risk of getting pregnant?
You okay?
Well, do you know that feeling when you're not exactly sure if you took your birth control pill or not, and you feel like you're kind of freaking out because you don't know if you should just let your boss yell at you and go home and check, or not go and face the risk of side effects, and even getting pregnant? Nope.
I've got Poppet. Yep, I've taken it. At 6:26 to be exact.
Puppet is the internet of birth control pills. By using patented technology, Puppet Sense automatically detects whenever you take in a pill. You simply clip on this small, colorful device to your birth control pill sheet, and it makes the pills connected. The app automatically keeps track of your pills and reminds you only if you have forgotten. So no more inconvenient alerts that go off even after you've taken the pill. We at Puppet have come a long way, and soon the product will be ready to be put in the hands of each and every woman using birth control pills, but we need your help. Help us now, and let's make this project a reality.
Take it easy, babe. I got Puppet.
There's nothing worse than poor-fitting, uncomfortable activewear, especially if you're a size 14 or larger. No one needs a wardrobe malfunction in a downward dog. You need a product that moves with you, flatters your curves, makes you feel confident, and looks as good on the 100th wear as it does on the first.
Introducing the Lola High Rise. We've taken our #1 seller, the Perfect Legging, and elevated it to a new level. The Lola High Rise legging gives you a triple dose of performance, hugs comfortably, offers a secure stay-put fit, allows you to do anything you want while creating the longest, leggiest look.
Great for running to the gym or just running around town. The Lola High Rise will become your go-to legging.
We have spent 3 years designing the perfect legging exclusively for the 67% of women in the U.S. who wear size 14 or larger.
Each seam is carefully placed, fabric selectively chosen, and stitching meticulously sewn to create the ultimate curve-flattering, long-lasting wardrobe staple.
As a plus-size model and the fit model for Lola Gets, I love the fact that they added the new high-waisted legging, giving that extra little support in the tummy area and a little bit in the rise. Makes the world of difference, and I love that extra coverage when I'm in vulnerable positions doing Pilates or in yoga. It definitely makes me feel good wearing that high-rise waist.
Unlike most of our competitors, Lola Gets is made exclusively for the women who wear size 14 or larger. So all style decisions, fit decisions, and cuts are made with you in mind. We fit all of our garments on a size 16 fit model and will not go into production until it's perfect. Fit is the one thing we will not compromise on, so why should you?
We shop the technical fabric market and choose fabrics that are soft and luxurious, but still have the right amount of stretch and compression, allowing for a worry-free wear every time. In our bottoms, we use a 480-gram weight fabric, so you'll never have to worry about your pants being see-through. We strategically place every seam on our garment to enhance and support your curves. Our diamond-shaped crotch guarantees a camel toe-free wear, and our flat-lock stitching means no more worrying about chafing or opening seams. We want you to have a legging that supports you on your get fit and healthy journey. Keeping manufacturing jobs right here in the USA is extremely important to us. Our Lola High Rise is ready for production in our Los Angeles factory, and the only thing that's missing is you.
Everybody knows somebody who's plus size. We're looking for 400 people to help fund the first production run of the Lola Gets High Rise and make it a reality. Can a legging really make you feel empowered and confident?
We believe so.
So please pledge, please share. Help make Lola Gets a great, strong community. Thank you so much.
I've been an engineer for about 15 years and have worked in corporate America for most of that time.
A lot of people ask me why I would leave the security of corporate America for a nonprofit. And the answer is really very simple. I get to work on products that I'm passionate about that make a difference in the lives of women all over the world.
Working on the design of the Fem app with the team has helped me to learn so much about the science behind Fem and about how my body works. And I really hope that the women who use the app will be able to learn as much as I have about their bodies and be able to live a healthier lifestyle thanks to the app.
For women trying to track or manage their health or trying to achieve or avoid pregnancy, the Fem app provides personalized feedback based on their observations and flags any potential issues.
Since I was tracking in the Fem app, I could see that there were patterns to the emotions and feelings that I was experiencing. The Fem app connected me with a doctor, and I was able to learn that I had a vitamin D deficiency. Since receiving Fem treatment, I feel much better.
We just released the Fem iOS app and have since then received overwhelming requests from women all over the world to make it available on the Android platform. Please consider making a donation today to help us make this app available for free for women all over the world. Please remember, you're going to be empowering and educating women to achieve their health goals.